Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Nation, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts who live and breathe horsepower, luxury, and next-level automotive engineering. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we drop the most in-depth reviews on the world's wildest rides. Today we're diving deep into absolute royalty on wheels, the 2026 to 2027 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 1000 by Brabus. This isn't just an SUV, this is a rolling palace that redefines what ultra-luxury performance means. Let's get into it. Standing in front of this majestic, deep burgundy beast, you immediately feel the presence. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 1000 is the ultimate evolution of the GLS platform, taken to insane heights by Brabus. Look at that front end. The massive chrome-lined grille with those aggressive air intakes, the sculpted hood, and those razor-sharp LED headlights that look like they could slice through the night. The carbon fiber accents on the front splitter and bumper give it that menacing yet sophisticated Brabus touch. This thing sits low and wide on those massive multi-spoke black alloy wheels wrapped in performance rubber. Every angle screams money and power. Flip around to the rear and things get even more dramatic. That wide stance, the sculpted haunches, the massive quad exhaust outlets framed in carbon fiber. It's pure aggression. The Maybach badging on the tailgate, combined with GLS 1000 concept lettering, tells you this isn't your regular GLS. Brabus has worked their magic with a subtle roof spoiler, extended side skirts, and that signature rear diffuser that looks ready for the track but feels perfectly at home pulling up to a 5-star resort. The paint? This rich metallic burgundy catches the light like liquid metal. It's elegant, it's bold, and it's impossible to ignore. Now let's step inside, because this is where the Maybach GLS 1000 truly separates itself from everything else on the road. Close the door and you're transported into a world of uncompromising luxury. The dashboard is a masterpiece. That beautiful brown and black quilted leather, carbon fiber trim everywhere, and massive digital displays that flow seamlessly. Look at that steering wheel with the Brabus B logo dead center, the digital instrument cluster showing off Maybach branding, and the central screen proudly displaying Brabus Maybach GLS 1000. Every button, every stitch, every material feels handcrafted for millionaires who demand perfection. But the real showstopper is the rear compartment. This is where the GLS 1000 becomes a private jet on wheels. Those executive rear seats are upholstered in the softest burgundy leather with diamond quilting that looks like it belongs in a high-end lounge. You've got individual entertainment screens on the back of the front seats, fold-out tables, champagne holders, yes, actual champagne flutes are included in this setup, and enough legroom to stretch out like you're in first class. The center console between the rear seats houses more controls, another screen, and storage that feels like a luxury watch box. Ambient lighting, Burmester sound system that can shake the soul, and materials so soft you could fall asleep in traffic. This isn't transportation, this is a moving 5-star suite. Under the hood, the 2026-2027 Maybach GLS 1000 is rumored to pack a monstrous 4.0-liter biturbo V8, possibly hybridized, pushing well over 600 horsepower and massive torque. Brabus tuning takes that even further with performance upgrades that deliver rocket-like acceleration while maintaining the whisper-quiet refinement Maybach is famous for. Air suspension glides over bumps like they're not even there. Adaptive. Dampers adjust instantly, and the all-wheel drive system gives you confidence in any condition. Whether you're cruising the highway at 150 mph or navigating city streets, this SUV feels planted, powerful, and impossibly smooth. What makes this car special in 2026-2027 is how it perfectly blends old-school luxury with cutting-edge technology. You've got Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, advanced AI assistance, over-the-air updates, and a cabin that can switch between wellness modes with aromatherapy and mood lighting. Yet it never forgets its roots as a true performance machine. The attention to detail is obsessive, from the Maybach emblems on the headrests to the carbon fiber accents that weigh nothing but look like $1 million. Pricing? Expect this fully loaded Brabus Maybach GLS 1000 to start north of $300,000 and easily climb into the $400K plus range depending on options. But when you're buying something this exclusive, you're not just buying a car, You're buying status, comfort, and performance that no other SUV can match. If you're the kind of person who wants to arrive like a boss, turn heads everywhere you go and enjoy every single mile in absolute luxury, the 2026-2027 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 1000 by Brabus is the ultimate machine. It's not just better than the competition, it's playing in a league of its own. There you have it, gearheads. The incredible Maybach GLS 1000. What do you think? Would you daily this ultimate luxury SUV, or is there another ultra-luxe ride you'd pick instead? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, share it with your fellow car lovers, and subscribe to Gearhead Nation for more premium automotive content every week. We've got more insane builds and reviews coming your way. Until next time, keep chasing that horsepower dream. I'm out. Drive safe, stay legendary. Peace.